Hey guys, it's Milena. Today there is a completely new doll about to join my collection. This is a doll made by Japanese artist Miyuki Odani, and these dolls are called Be My Baby, Cherry. Collectors call them Cherry-chan. Odani-san was a doll customizer, but in 2015 she was able to run a crowdfunding campaign and start her own doll production and brand. These dolls are not just unique by their extraordinary facial expressions, but they're also completely made in Japan, including their clothes and bodies. Moreover, Odani-san by herself paints some elements of their faces, which gives everyone a unique expression. Eyebrows, eyelashes, pupils, and some elements of eye makeup all painted by the artists, which is truly amazing even though those dolls are not one of a kind and could be even called mass-produced. For a while, I was following Miyuki Odani's Instagram and even visited a few special events, but was hesitant if I should dive into the collecting these dolls as well. Everything changed when she announced the new series, Occult and Criminal Research Club, and I saw this gorgeous Doris with her purplish face up. I immediately knew she will join my collection. I love when unusual boxes are made for dolls. It makes the experience of the first opening truly unforgettable. I love the texture of the box, its size, and the whole design. This box is covered in different mysteries. I spent a while just studying all of the little details. On the front there is the name of the series, Dollhouse High School, Occult and Criminal Research Club. Oh yeah, I would totally enroll if I had such a club in my school. Or maybe even right now, as I love watching true crime videos on YouTube. How about you? The box design could easily be pages of the club members' notebooks. This shape is probably my favorite. Here is also the name of the doll, Doris. It is made from square beads with which school kids used to make bracelets. Another doll, Belinda, was also released recently. She has striking orange short-cut hair. Honestly, it was a struggle to pick one of them. Maybe I should have ordered both? On the side of the box there is also a Be My Baby Cherry logo with letter C being of a heart shape. The base of the box is black, and on the back there is different caution information. As usual for collectible dolls, they are made for people 15 years old and up. There is also a sign saying that this doll is made in Japan. I was absolutely captivated by this doll, particularly due to her stunning purple color scheme. The tulle top she has is a beautiful shade of purple and features elegant long sleeves. Additionally, the top is designed with an oval-shaped neckline in the front and transitions to a V-shape at the back. I can already envision how fabulous it will look once the doll is dressed in it. The skirt is really soft and has teeny sparkly dots all over it. It kind of looks like a leopard print and makes me think of 90s fashion. Does it remind you of that too? The skirt goes all the way down to the ankles but has really high slit on both sides, which is super cool. I would totally wear a skirt like this myself. And don't worry, it's easy to put on because it has a black velcro strip on the back. In addition to her wardrobe, Doris has a black lace top that can be layered over the purple one. This top is crafted from a single piece of stretchy lace fabric and is designed without any closures or fastening mechanism, providing a seamless look. The intricate lace pattern will add a delicate touch, creating a perfect balance with a vibrant purple underneath. Doris will be stylishly adorned in black fishnet thigh-high socks, with the top charmingly embellished with black frills. Personally, I adore this style of socks or stockings, so the doll's wardrobe is completely in sync with my own fashion preferences. I am absolutely loving the vibe of her outfit. Those shoes are amazing black Mary Jane on a platform and high, thick heels. They are made from a hard but flexible enough to put on the doll resin. Shoes have sculpted stitching on them and little golden buckles. Compared to shoes I've seen before on dolls which were made from the same material, there is no cut on the back, which makes me very happy as it could be visible in the photos, and I love more realistic doll outfits. On the bottom we have right and left BMB Cherry and Miu King engravings. Time to check out those accessories. It's a lot of silver chains and I love them. There is a belt chain which consists of bigger round elements which will go around the hips and smaller decorative chains which are gonna be on both sides of the doll's hips. The chain is fastened with a clasp. Another one is a chain necklace with a massive cross pendant. This one can be put on the doll only by removing her head first. Beckwith's clothes was attached to this black board, which is covered in white occult and Criminal Research Club logos. However, there is a hidden secret. If you take it from the box, there is all the different mystery signs hidden behind. Or here Belinda's pictures, and here's Doris and a 3M memo sticker. Isn't it a bit late for a club meeting? Schoolgirls need to be in bed. The back of the top tier is no less interesting. Here again is a serious name and the black cat we know from the box top. Additionally, we can see the little recruitment poster for the club. From it we learn that kids gather at the science preparation room every Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday after school. That's what I call dedication. Everybody can join and it seems like both Doris and Belinda are presidents of the club. Oh, how fun! Don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment down below. Your support means the world to me and helps keep the magic alive. It only takes a second but makes a huge difference. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey with me. The doll's hair is incredibly silky and straight, leaving me to wonder if it has been treated with any products, as it styles effortlessly and maintains its shape without any stray hairs. I'm genuinely impressed and quite fond of it. The hair boasts a rich deep blue hue, and even the head beneath is painted in a coordinating blue shade. This dark, mysterious color palette completes the overall gothic theme exceptionally well. Doris' hairstyle is sleek and straight without any bangs and falls just a bit lower than her waist. Let's look at this unique and unusual face. It reminds me of the face of a deer looking at a moving car. I'm saying it in a good way possible, as I'm completely captivated by it. The doll has a very sharp nose and chin. As I mentioned before, some parts of the face up like eyebrows, eyelashes and pupils are painted by Odani Miyuki herself. To me, it makes the doll very special, as I feel like the artist put a little bit of their heart in my doll, making her a bit more alive. Both eyeshadows, iris and even burgundy lips have a purple tone, while her friend Belinda has orange tone. The doll's lips are shaped like a bow, which makes it another special feature of the cherry dolls and very recognizable. Doll's head is attached to the neck with the help of ball-shaped joint. The surface of the joint has a small raised bumps, resembling the texture of a cactus. It is very easy to remove the head, but it also holds it very well. Also, it helps to provide a wide range of head movements. On the back of the doll's head, there is an indication that she is made in Japan. To be completely honest with you, one of the reasons I waited for so long before welcoming one of these dolls was their less flexible bodies than what I was used to. However, every time I saw the owner's photos, I couldn't stop staring at them. Even with this body, dolls somehow managed to look alive and amazing. Odani-san called them dress-up dolls, so they're specifically made to wear pretty clothes and be models for them. I'm actually very excited to enter this new world. The doll's body is like velvet to the touch. While the whole body is very hard, the doll's arms are a bit soft to make it easier to dress up the doll. I'm actually starting to love this body, as it looks very natural and there is some special charm in it being almost without any joints. Always a trade-off between flexibility and visual realism, isn't it? Do you own any of Be My Baby Cherry dolls? Maybe you got interested in owning them after my unboxing. Let me know in the comments down below. Love dolls and Happy Halloween!